Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to store a file on your Google Drive on a Mac computer for it to be accessible quickly. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to your Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now click on all applications, go to the drive. Make sure you have files and folders stored within your Google Drive. If not, go to the previous tutorials to see how that can be done. However, in this tutorial, we have that already, so we have nothing to worry about. And so let's click on a folder, Instagram tools, right click, and now add to stored. So this is now within the store folder. If we now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock again, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case again, click on all applications, go to the drive, and go to stored. This saves a lot of time. We then do not have to keep looking through files and folders to see where is this file, this document, this folder, this video. Click on stored, and there we have the folder ready to be accessed for a given purpose. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.